today's lecture was one of the best lecture, and definitely all the 27th 15 lectures that I have gone through in the last weekend were fantastic and quite helpful to enhance my journey in the astrology. So I will just say thank you to Vinayak sir, Neeraj sir, Sunil sir, of course, is the guiding member, but all the lectures were fantastic.
Thank you, Manishji.
Yeah, I mean, of course, the last weekend was great, but unfortunately, because of time constraints, they were a little bit limited. So I think we were lucky to have a fantastic topic, been given so much time and patient explanation, explained very well by Vinayak ji, and of course Neeraj ji's support there as well. So yeah, it's just great to see you guys sharing so much valuable wisdom. I know Sunil John also keeps on saying that there are too many astrologers who are holding on to everything and not realizing that, you know, when you share wisdom, you also open the flow for yourself to receive more, right?
Yes.
If you're holding on to, you know, it's just like anything, like with money as well, right? People who are holding on to that wisdom, okay, they're holding on to that, they're not sharing that secret, but then they're not getting anything else either. So the good thing is that you guys are sharing so much valuable wisdom from so many aspects of astrology. I mean, every time we do one of these master series, we realize how much more there is to know about jyotish, right? And so I hope you guys continue to receive more wisdom so that, you know, we in turn can then learn more as well. So yeah, very grateful for this entire master series. Looking forward to many more. Thank you.
Thanks, Deepashji, for this valuable feedback. So,
Yeah,
Rajani ji.
sir, I was just wanting to tell you this is my first time with Saptarishi. I did the 27th and 28th. And like you said earlier, the content was really, really overwhelming, too much for what I expected, but it was great. I still have to go through the recordings. I haven't heard it. And it was really, really valuable. And I thought that, I would learn so much, but I learned much more, and bringing all those big astrologers in one forum and getting a glimpse of what else we can learn and how much more astrology, as I realize every day we are learning and learning and there's no end to it. And I figured on 27th and 28th that there's so much I don't know and so much I have to learn. And I think this is a great forum, and you guys are doing an awesome job of putting this together. It is fantastic. Thank you so much. And today's lecture, D30, like you said, it was itself a workshop. And if you had come, we are lucky that you did not get a chance the other day to cover, because we got to learn so much from you today. And I learned a lot about D30, a lot. Thank you so much.
First of all, thank you very much, Vinayak ji, and your PPT presentation, your explanation are all very good. You are very patient, and even the entire master series was very good. I was trying to get into any of these lectures since a long time, but this is the first time I could get, and I'm very happy to get the knowledge from all of the teachers. And I will continue to associate with the master series at least. And there were so many things that I could learn. All was through books only, but this is the first time that I attended a webinar, and I'm grateful for all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Shekharji.
Yes, I want to say something as well. So today's was completely sort of although I knew one or two words about D30, this is something in detail you went in with all your presentation. Thank you very much. The last week was also very excellent, especially the ones that are really stimulating you to see the techniques straightforward in front of you. One was that young chap, Rakesh, with his Nadi technique, which is the first time I've heard as well. I hope to continue with some more of this progression, because his progression was a little bit difficult to understand. The next thing was Mr. Bhadoria ji says the
Vinayak ji, Himanshu this side. I think it was a fantastic session today, and divisional chart, something that I'm always looking to. This is I'm new to astrology, and this is first time that I am actually coming across Saptarishi. So last week it was fantastic, and all the great, all you people are so great in terms of the kind of wisdom that you share, and with such an open heart. It's really a very humbling experience. The only thing is that with comparing to last week, today it seemed to be a bit better because in terms of like there were too many lectures back to back. So for anyone coming first time, the mind gets a bit cluttered. So today you get to you get a lot of space to understand and ask and sort of interact. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And I'm looking forward for that Krishniyam, that Prashniyam. So please do share the details with me in the. I'll send you an email.
So definitely, and follow us in our Facebook and join our Saptarishi research group.
Okay. Okay.
So
Right.
there we are updating on these kind of courses on regular basis.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So whoever is interested in attending this Prashniyam course, they can buy the book Prashnamarg and Prashniyam. Okay, they are available with us in saptarishishop.com.
So that Prashna Marg is B.B. Raman's book?
Yes, we will.
As usual, he was excellent on these Navamsa technique, and we can go through year by year.
Krishniyam book is our own publication book, Rishi publication.
Is this
So
Krishniyam book? Writer is Jagat.
Alok Jagat.
You can see me.
Okay. Alok sir.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, I can see you now.
Okay, right.
So Alok Jagavatji's lecture is, I think you all have
Yeah,
attended.
we got that last week.
Last week, yeah, that was a good lecture.
So he's written that he's done a commentary, good commentary on that Prashniyam book. So it's a must-read book, good book. So you can read that book before joining this Prashniyam. So you will have that basic idea.